Hello, my beautiful friends. How are you doing? My name is Shabarnabe. Nongeye kubaha ikaze mu ishuri ryanjye, aho tugiye kurebera hamwe uko wakoresha weya, uko wabaza ibibazo ukoresheje weya. Ariko mbere yuko utangira, ngiye kubigisha akaririmbo ushobora gukoresha mu ishuri cyangwa se urimo urakina n'abana bawe bakabasha kumva ibyo bababwira cyangwa se mukabasha gukina hagati yanyu. Mureke mbigishe dutangire. Karavuga ngo amarayibareta wake enthusiastic. I'm a river awake enthusiastic. I'm a river awake. A later life. I'm a river awake enthusiastic. Wagati ukoresheje like I'm a river awake enthusiastic. I'm a river awake enthusiastic. I'm a river awake. Awake a later life. I'm a river awake enthusiastic. Please. Tujya kwigana rero ushobora kubaza ibibazo ukoresheje weya. Weya it is used to ask about a place or location. Weya uyikoresha urimo urabaza location cyangwa se ahantu runaka. Tugiye kwiga ingero zigiye zitandukanye ushobora kubaza gutuma umenya uko wabaza ndetse ukanasubiza ukoresheje ijambo weya. Mureke dutangire rero twigane. Nk'uko nari maze kubabwira rero dukoresha weya iyo dushaka kumenya ahantu. Tugiye kwigana rero ingero zigiye zitandukanye ziraza kuza kubafasha mwese kuba mwakoresha weya mubaza ibibazo ndetse n'uko mwabisubiza. Reka dutangirane ikibazo cya mbere rero. Where do you live? Where do you live? Ese utuye hehe? I live in Rwanda. Ntuye mu Rwanda. Where are you going? Where are you going? Ese ugiye hehe? Where are you going? Ese ugiye hehe? Ushobora gusubiza ukavuga ngo I am going to school. Ngiye ku ishuri. Ushobora kuvuga ngo ngiye ku kazi. I am going to work. Ushobora kuvuga ngo ngiye ku isoko. I am going to the market. I am going to the market. Now, reka turebe urugero rwa gatatu. Where is your mother? Where is your mother? Mama wawe ari hehe? Where is your mother? Ushobora gusubiza ukamubwira ngo she is at home. Ari mu rugo. She is at home. Ari mu rugo. Urugero rwa kane. Where is the book? Where is the book? Where is the book? Where is the book? Ese igitabo kiri hehe? Ushobora kuvuga ngo it is on the table. Kiri ku meza. Ushobora kuvuga ngo kiri munsi y'ameza ukavuga ngo it is under the table. Kiri munsi y'ameza. Where do you work? Where do you work? Ubwo ni urugero rwa gatanu. Where do you work? Ese ukorera hehe? Where do you work? Ushobora kuvuga ngo I work in Kigali. Nkorera i Kigali. I work in Kayonza. Nkorera i Kayonza. I work in South Africa. Nkorera muri Afurika y'Epfo. Ikindi kandi niba wakunze ino video ushobora gukanda subscribe, ushobora kulayikinga ino video niba wayikunze. Niba ushaka kwiga n'icyongereza kandi ushobora kujya kuri channel yacu ukareba video zose zagiye zitambuka kuva kuri class ya mbere kugeza kuri class ya 17 aho tugeze ubu ngubu, nawe ukiga icyongereza hamwe natwe neza kandi vuba. Urugero rwa gatatu turavuga ngo where does he study? Ese yiga hehe? Turavuga ngo he studies at Mount Kigali University. Yiga muri kaminuza ya Mount Kigali. Cyangwa se ukavuga ngo yiga kuri at Rwinkwavu Trinity Academy. He studies at Rwinkwavu Trinity Academy. He study at Akagera n'ahandi hagiye hatandukanye muzi abana bigira. Where is the pen? Where is the pen? Where is the pen? Where is the pen? Ese ikaramu iri hehe? Turavuga ngo it is in my bag. It is in my bag. Ikaramu iri mu gikapu cyanjye. Where can I sit? Ese nakicara hehe? Wenda ugihamye kubaza ngo where can I sit? Ese nicare hehe? Ushaka gusubiza kuvuga ngo you can sit here. Ushobora kwicara ahangaha. You can sit here. Reka tujye ku rugero rwa 9. Where do you come from? Where do you come from? Ese uturuka hehe? Ushaka kuvuga ngo gusubiza ngo I come from Rwanda. Nturuka mu Rwanda. I come from Kayonza. Nturuka i Kayonza. I come from Kigali. Nturuka i Kigali. I come from America. Nturuka muri Amerika n'ahandi henshi hagiye hatandukanye. Where are your friends? Ese inshuti zawe ziri hehe? Where are your friends? Where are your friend? Where is your husband? Where is your wife? Ibindi bibazo bigiye bitandukanye. Ushobora kuvuga ngo my friends they are at school. inshuti zanjye ziri ku ishuri, they are at work. Inshuti zanjye ziri ku kazi. Now, uru ni rwo rugero rwa nyuma twize uko wakoresha where. Ndakeka buri wese unamaze kumenya uko wakoresha where. Hanyuma utaha tuziga gukoresha who cyangwa se kubaza ngo inde, ninde. Niyo mpamvu class y'ubutaha rero mbararikira kugira ngo mwese muzaze twigane icyongereza neza kandi vuba. Please liking ino video, usubscribing, hanyuma usharing no ku bavandimwe kugira ngo twigane icyongereza umunsi ku munsi neza kandi vuba. Ikindi kandi ushobora kutwandikira kuri 079 192 079 192 85 kugira ngo tugushyire mu magroup yacu ya WhatsApp twigane icyongereza umunsi ku munsi neza kandi vuba. Subscribe first, hanyuma utwandikire usharing ino video ku nshuti n'abavandimwe bashaka icyongereza twigane icyongereza neza kandi vuba. Murakoze rero, mwakoze kuri ino video. Bye bye, naho utaha.